Good afternoon and welcome to the planning briefing for Sunday, August 18th from Missoula, Montana. Looking at our key points, storms throughout this week. They'll be organized today and on Monday. Expect some gusty outflow winds and small hail. There is a 5% chance of damaging winds from severe storms, and I'll show you where in a second. Isolated storms the rest of the week from Tuesday to Friday, but if a piece of energy breaks off this Pacific trough that's been ongoing for the past week, that could spark off stronger storms over that period. And finally, the Pacific trough we think is going to get on the move this weekend, but more to come with that. We are pretty convinced in cooler temperatures and widespread rain if it does get on the move. Looking at the satellite, you can see this fire right here is producing a lot of smoke over north central Idaho and eventually into northwest Montana. That could inhibit convective activity this afternoon in that area. And then potentially tomorrow, the models do have that coming over west central Montana. So it could inhibit convective activity tomorrow. But for today, this is a severe weather outlook. This marginal area, dark green right here, is a 5% chance of damaging winds 58 miles per hour or greater. But anywhere in this area could be a strong storm. And I do think we need to pull this marginal area over the Missoula and Bitterroot valleys. This is put out by the SPC, but I do think we need to include these two areas for severe storms today. 5% chance. Then tomorrow, I do think that this marginal is going to be pulled to the west over north central Idaho. Anywhere in this dark green, once again, 5% chance of damaging winds. All right, temperature trend. Today and tomorrow will be the warmest days, and then it cools off. And then look at this, 10 degrees cooler than the rest of the week by Sunday if the trough gets on the move. Looking at the MinR Trend. The driest days, Tuesday and Wednesday, a little area of dry air will work into Lemhi County and southwest Montana on Tuesday and Wednesday, and it could clip the southern Bitterroot. But other than that, RH trends stay pretty darn good for this time of year, and I don't see that changing anytime soon. Wind gust threat. Each day, that trough is still there. We're going to have breezy afternoons, but you can see Friday the trough reconsolidates and then potentially gets on the move. We have stronger winds towards the end of the week. Our thunderstorm threat organized today and tomorrow. We have that marginal risk over us, 5% chance of damaging winds, 58 miles per hour. But I think everywhere there's a potential for a strong to a severe storm. And then each night, Sunday into Monday, Monday into Tuesday, there's a chance of nocturnal thunderstorms from elevated instability. But then Tuesday night into Wednesday, we have that elevated instability, and we're going to have a piece of energy break off the trough and come over us overnight. So I think the best chance for nocturnal thunderstorms will be Tuesday into Wednesday. Those general southwest summer thunderstorms Tuesday to Friday, and then the chance for thunderstorms increases with the trough on the move. All right, we expect the trough to reconsolidate on Friday and eject northeastward over the weekend. There's a lot of questions on the how, when, and where. That'll be answered in the upcoming days. How strong will it be? Where is it going to be as it ejects, and which track will it take? And that will depend upon just how cool we get, or who gets cool, and where the potential for the heaviest precipitation is going to be. You can see here it's looking good for above normal precipitation over most of our area in the 6 to 10 day outlook, and below normal temperatures. All right, weather threat matrix. Moderate today for thunderstorm activity in west central Bitterroot and southwest Montana. That's where we have that marginal 5% chance of damaging winds. And then thunderstorms elsewhere could be strong. Tomorrow and Wednesday, this moderate is for the dry, that dry node of air, so hot, dry, and windy. Elsewhere, There's some winds and afternoon thunderstorms. Afternoon thunderstorms on Thursday, and then Friday, the reconsolidation of the trough, winds and thunderstorms during the afternoon, and then the question mark for Saturday and Sunday. Thank you for attending. Our next briefing will be Thursday, August 22nd. If you have any questions between now and then, don't hesitate to give us a call at 406-329-4841. Have a great day, everyone.